In this video, Elle will show you 10 OBS streaming mistakes that might be killing your stream and how to fix them step by step. Mistake number 1, wrong bitrate settings. If your bitrate is wrong, your viewers see pixelated garbage. To fix this, go to Settings, then click on the Output tab and switch to Advanced mode. Set rate control to CBR. Now use the right bitrate for your internet. If your upload speed is above 12 megabits per second, set bitrate to 8000. If it is between 10 to 12 megabits per second, then use 6000. If it lies below 10 megabits per second, stick to 4000. And if you're streaming to YouTube with more than 14 megabits per second, then go for 10,000. Mistake 2, using X264 instead of GPU. The X264 uses your CPU, and that ruins performance. If you have an NVIDIA card, use NVENCH 0.264. For AMD, use AMFH 0.264. If you don't have GPU at the moment, then X264 is your only choice. Just lower your settings. Mistake 3, preset too slow or too fast. For this, go to the output settings and then under encoder preset, don't go extreme. For gaming plus streaming on one PC, choose P5, slow. If you have a dedicated streaming PC or just using a webcam, try P6 or P7. Or if you're on a low-end PC, then use medium. Mistake 4, no psycho-visual tuning. This setting helps keep the image sharp during fast motion. To enable this, go to encoder settings,
check adaptive quantization.
Also, uncheck look ahead unless you know what you're doing. Mistake 5, process priority. Go to settings and then click on advance and set process priority to normal. This keeps OBS stable and prevents random freezes. If you're multitasking or using a lower end PC, don't set this to high. It can cause system lag or crashes. Setting it to normal gives OBS enough power without affecting your overall system. Mistake 5, using 30 FPS with high bitrate. If you're using 30 FPS with 8000 bitrate, then your video won't look smooth, and that bitrate is being wasted. If you're using 6000 or above, go with 60 FPS. Or if you are streaming on a weak PC or slow net, use 30 frames per second plus 4000 bitrate. Mistake 6, keyframe interval not set to 2. First, go to encoder settings again and set keyframe interval to 2. This ensures better quality and smoother playback on platforms like Twitch and YouTube. Mistake 7, wrong audio bitrate. Audio matters much more than most people think. Go to settings, then click on output tab and select audio. Now set bitrate to 320 kilobits per second for all tracks. Next, open the audio tab. Set the sample rate to 48 kilohertz and the channels to stereo. Now scroll down to desktop audio and choose your main listening device, usually your headphones. Then select your microphone. This will make sure your audio sounds clear and not distorted. And remember, if your stream sounds bad, people will leave no matter how good your visuals are. Mistake 8, output resolution mismatch. Go to settings, then click on video. If you're streaming in 1080p, both base and output resolution should be 1920 by 1080. If you're downscaling, set downscale filter to Lanczos for sharp scaling. Mistake 9, bitrate too high for FPS. In the output section, go to the streaming tab, scroll down and double check your bitrate and FPS combo. If you're using 4000 bitrate, then don't stream at 60 FPS, it'll look pixelated. Instead, drop your FPS to 30 for a cleaner image. But if your bitrate is 6000 or above, then 60 FPS is fine. Mistake number 10, VOD track not enabled for Twitch streamers. To fix this, go to settings, then click on the output tab and switch to advanced mode. Next, check the box for enable VOD track. This creates a separate audio track just for your Twitch VOD, so your music won't get muted in replays. Set the VOD track to track 2. If your stream was struggling now, it should be fixed. Subscribe for more clear tutorials like this. Peace.